Fair warning, we have no idea how long those have been in the vending machine, so.
Yeah, all right, I'm good.
What side do you want?
I'll take this side. Thanks.
You guys should sleep in the bed. There's two of you. I can sleep on the floor.
No, take it. Ladies first.
Yeah, normally I'd argue on principle, because what does me being a girl have to do with not sleeping on the floor? But I definitely saw a roach earlier, so have at it, boys.